why don't we have something like a dishwasher for folding? We have a dryer, we have a washer. Where is the dishwasher for folding? And that's what inspired me to start working on Foldimate. Folding laundry with a machine is a pain. You know, fabric is really, really difficult for engineers. And if you think about it, you have so many types of items in your laundry and so many fabric types, and you need to make a technology that will handle all of them together. Not only handle them, but fold them in a reasonable quality, at speed, and don't forget the part of cost and size, of course. So you have a lot of machines today that are industrialized, but they are room size. They cost tens of thousands of dollars, and usually they can fold only one item very well. We're doing the majority of items that you have in an average laundry load. We can do shirts, we can do towels, pants, even pillowcases. But we said these are the most laborious items, and for example, all the small items like undergarments and large items like linen, right now they're not in our focus. The large because the machine will have to be larger, and the small because I think we can do it faster by hand. We've had multiple prototypes along the way and multiple models that go to different markets. And the last one, the home version, we've been working on it for 2 years already. We're aiming to launch Foldimate, or at least the first units will ship towards the end of 2019. It's very, very challenging, and we're really trying to make that deadline. But as you know, this is a development stage, so we'll keep everyone apprised. But right now, still on target, end of 2019.
A development stage, so we'll keep everyone apprised. But right now, still on target, end of 2019.